morning. 7:03 on the 30th of October. It's 41 degrees. It's supposed to rain today. Looks like we already had a couple of drops on the steps. Sunrise was at 7:09. Sunset at 5:21. So we're approximately 5 minutes from sunrise, but we're not going to see any sun today. The northwest side of the camera had two doves just after midnight walking from north to south. Up on the other two cameras. Yeah. We're not bird hunting yesterday, but nothing. Went east and west on the 105 snowmobile trail. About a half mile east and a mile west. I went west to the first culvert. There's one large grouping of birch that's down across the trail, but it's not down on the trail. It's up in the air. I could duck under it on the ATV. And there were smaller trees that were blocking the trail. I moved those off. I get down as far as the culvert, and somebody's driven over the culvert and torn the top of it apart. There used to be a no ATV sign there at the head of the trail, and somebody chopped the tree down. The sign's still there on the ground, but the tree that was on is down. I had actually cleared the branches away, so you could clearly see the ATV, no ATV sign. Oh boy. Flynn, come on, where are you going? Boy, when he pulls like that, I'm not ready. Come on, let's go. Look, come on. There's nothing there. So, the 105 west of North Road is what we'll be working on this coming Sunday. So, I don't know whether Kevin's been able to get anything in. He has to get an excavator in. I don't know how far in, but there's a beaver dam. And from what he said, I think he said Travis and somebody else went in. And you need waders. There's 4 feet of water in the area around the bridge. That was a month ago. We haven't had rain until today. So I don't know whether the water has subsided. But we need an excavator in there, break up the beaver dam. And we don't want to do it too early because they'll just rebuild the dam. Yesterday I had the electric gloves on to heat my hands. Today I got the Home Depot work gloves. Not even the regular cold weather gloves. Boy. We're heading down to Bangor. We just got a appointment with an eye doctor. Normally she'd go herself, but she has to have her eyes dilated this time. So she won't be able to drive back. And the appointment, I understand, takes almost 2 hours. So then I gotta run over to Harbor Freight. See if I can buy a little caster for my shop vac. It was missing a wheel. I know Home Depot has wheels. Caster wheel, same thing. And I wanted my little cart. I've got my daughter's Generac 10,000E generator that has wheels on it, but the handles on it are broken. And I'd rather just put it in a cart and be able to wheel it around, or have to worry about the handle snapping off. I got 3 generators. My original storm responder is I think 8,000 starting watts and 5,500 running, which was great back in Jefferson. Probably told that story before. I don't know what, whether it was Hurricane Irene or Superstorm Sandy. I think it was Irene. We lost power for a while, and she found a generator down in South Jersey where the storm didn't hit. Her and her husband loaded up in the back of her Subaru. She had a Saab that had Subaru underpinnings. All-wheel drive. The generator in the box fit right in the back of her hatchback. And unfortunately, at the time, the owners across the street had gone to Germany, and the guy that had house sitting, the guy's name was Dan. He was an electrician, so got the generator out, and he came over and hooked up a wire, wired it into the box, the main panel. You can hear generators going. All right, bud, let's go. All right. So, a while ago, a couple weeks ago, somebody told me to install the Fox News app on my phone. And ever since then, I wake up to, they have a dozen or more news alerts on my watch. And most of them this morning are saying that Biden called Trump supporters garbage. I've yet to see the video, but I'll go back and look at that now. And the same day, Kamala is calling for unity, and Biden comes out with Trump supporters are garbage. Biden ran in 2020 on trying to unify the country, and from day one, when he was president, he did everything to alienate conservatives. Let's go, come on. I found out yesterday I was wrong about the batteries I bought. I looked in the box, I said, wow, that one's got rounded edges, which is what this high-res camera uses. And I looked at the next battery, they all have rounded edges. So they all work for this particular camera. I don't know what I screwed up on. Maybe I'll grab a spare battery for the other camera and try to get it in here. So I charged them all up. Well, I charged two of them up. And one of the new batteries is in here now. But at 41 degrees, it shouldn't have an issue. I thought I saw something new too. Probably just wind. Come on. I was watching Timcast IRL yesterday, and they had James O'Keefe on, and James O'Keefe says he's got a watch that has a camera in it. I never heard of that, so I Googled it. Sure enough, there are plenty of watches out there with cameras in them. Let's go. Apparently James O'Keefe has a movie coming out. someplace in Pennsylvania. There's a lot of people getting ready to vote, trying to get in to vote. And several non-speaking people were escorted in to vote ahead of the crowd. Come on. Let's go. And then another video of a police officer not letting people in to vote. Other people getting turned away because it was too late in the day. Another video of a cop holding a sign saying line ends here, meaning no more people would be allowed to get online to vote. He keeps going around me. I'm not going to try and do a pirouette my knee the way it is. The knee is much better today than it's been. Yesterday was pretty good, but I can still feel if I move the wrong way, something wrong, something bad can happen. Okay. So we'll have coffee, and I'll pack up my second cup in my Yeti mug, and we'll head down to Bangor. Go to Sam's Club. First stop. Come on, let's go. Well, first stop's going to be Walmart. The wife's got to pick up something at Walmart. And then we go down to Bangor. So that's a plan for today. Thanks for watching. Ugh.